Hi, today I'm for the Lenovo Tab M10 Plus and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first we should open notification panel shortcuts, and now after that you should find the ring icon here. Just to activate silent mode we should click once on this ring bell icon, and now we can see that our device changed our mode to mute 1, so this means that the silent mode is activated. If you wanna turn it off, just click twice to the mute icon, and now we'll just switch it successfully to the ring 1. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter. Then click here twice to the bell icon, and now we'll just switch it to the crossed bell, so this means that the silent mode is activated successfully. Just if you want to turn it off, by the same way, click here on the once on the bell icon to switch it to the regular one, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.